In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Microsoft Access. If you're new to Access, a form is simply a user-friendly screen that sits on top of your data. It lets you add new information, edit what's already there, and browse through records without digging into raw tables. Forms make data entry cleaner, reduce mistakes, and help you focus on just the fields you need. The easiest way to get started is to build a form directly from a table. Open your database so you can see the navigation pane on the left, then click the table you want to use. With that table selected, go to the Create tab along the top ribbon and choose Form. Access instantly generates a form with all the fields from that table, complete with labels and a layout that's ready to use. This is perfect for beginners because the heavy lifting is done for you. Before you go any further, save your work. Click the Save icon. Enter a clear, descriptive name for your form, such as Customer Form, and click OK. Naming forms thoughtfully makes them easy to find later, especially as your database grows. After the form is created, you can tailor it to fit your needs. Switch to Layout View or Design View to adjust the look and feel. In these views, you can resize fields so they match the content, move boxes to improve flow, and add titles or logos to give your form a polished, branded appearance. Take a moment to align fields and leave enough spacing so the form is comfortable to read and use. Small visual tweaks can make everyday data entry much faster. If you'd prefer more control from the start, you can create a blank form and add only the fields you actually want. Go back to the Create tab and click Blank Form. On the right side, you'll see the field list. Double-click any field to add it to the form or drag and drop fields exactly where you want them. This approach gives you full control over the layout and order of information, which is helpful when you're building a focused workflow or a streamlined data entry screen. That's all there is to it. Start with the automatic form to get something working quickly. Save and name it clearly, then refine the design. When you need a custom layout, build from a blank canvas using the field list. With these techniques, you'll create forms in Access that are both efficient and easy to use.